piece of information that you learned that feels illegal to know?
Did you know you can make serious money just for recommending products to people? Has this ever happened to you where a friend or a family member likes something that you have and they tell you to send the link to that product? As an Amazon affiliate, if you send an affiliate link to the same product that they're asking for, you can make money. Here's how. Go to Amazon.com and scroll all the way down. Click on Become an Affiliate. Once you're on this page, go ahead and sign up and get your account. As you can see, after you sign up, you're going to start recommending products and eventually you're going to earn commissions. You're going to go to Amazon. You're going to type the name of the product, find the product. You're going to click on it. This is the link you want to share with everybody. Now, every single time when someone clicks and buys from that affiliate link, you earn a commission. Of course, you're not gonna do this with your friends and family. This is just as an example. Imagine on a larger scale how many people you can reach with social media. Thousands and even millions of people. Once you have an account on social media, you're gonna place your affiliate links right here. If you want to learn more about this method and how you can use the power of social media to make thousands of dollars in commissions, then just follow my account.